Okay guys, it is concert day. It is June 3rd and it is time to start getting ready for the concert. It is currently 11 something? 11:30. The concert starts at 6:30. Doors open. It's outside. But doors open at 5:30. But we're leaving at 12, even though it's only an hour and a half away. But we like being there early. We're just in case people, like, just in case there's a lot of traffic, just in case there's blah, blah, blah. So, I just ran, so I'm tired. So, it's time to start getting ready. I have my clothes here. And let's get it. Okay, guys, so we are just now leaving. That's Kalila with her outfit. That's Kahima. That's me. And that's everyone in the car. Wow. And that's my mother. And her outfit that she made. So we're heading out now. And that's all I have to say. But we're all dressed and ready. And San Diego's like weather is not that nice, but it's good because acrylic is so hot, so it's not even gonna get to like 70 degrees. It's only gonna get to like 60. It's only gonna get to like 67, which is good because I am sweating already in this outfit. And we actually need to stop at Walmart to get deodorant. So
that blue nail
I'm happy.
Matches perfectly.
So I'm happy that it's going to be the weather that it's going to be. But anyway, let's get it. It's time to jam to music in the car and then have a concert. So, see ya. Okay guys, so we actually made it. We're looking for parking right now, and we passed by the park where the concert is gonna be at, and people are already waiting out, like sitting out already. So we're going to park and sit out until 5:30, which is when it opens up, and it's 2:33 right now. But I brought my knitting stuff. We all brought stuff to knit and crochet, so we shall be entertained with that until it is time to get into the concert.
Why'd you have to go? Why'd you have to leave me when I needed you the most? It's been a long day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way. I'll tell you all about it. Thank you all so much for having me up here tonight. I appreciate everything.
Okay guys, so Charlie just performed and it was amazing. But anyway, we're leaving now. Becky G is gonna perform then 5 SOS because it's actually their like kickoff, but we don't really care to stay for that. So we're dipping because we came for Charlie and Charlie's son. So we're gonna leave now, and that is honestly the end of the vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching, and since you guys enjoyed this vlog so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you're notified whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys in my next video.